Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well at home. I mean, if you are at home, if you're not and you're an essential worker, thank you for all that you do. Today I wanted to talk on this video about some hair products that are helping me get through this quarantine and how I'm doing it with my hair and how I'm taking this time to make my hair get stronger and healthier than ever. Like literally, I've blow dried my hair maybe about 3 times this quarantine. I've been so lazy. I've been washing it way more. Like every time I shower, every day I've been washing my hair more than ever. But I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using, and I think it's because I'm so obsessed with the products that I'm using and how they make my hair feel. It is the reason why I'm washing my hair so much. I can't think of another reason because I just love, and I took out my extensions. It's just so much I have to say. I took out my extensions. Maybe that's what it is. I've been able to scrub my hair finally. And yeah, I've been really taking this time to make my hair healthy, and I want to share that with you. If you want to know what those things are, just keep on watching. So first off, I want to start off with the Redken Extreme Length Shampoo with Biotin. The reason I bought this, I had seen a beauty influencer using this and I was like, oh my god, I have to give it a try, you know. So I've been using this whole quarantine, and guys, I'm obsessed. I don't even know if it's making my hair grow, because I mean it's such a short period of time, but I have noticed a difference in the way that my hair feels. And I really love this because just the idea of biotin in my shampoo, it just sounds like long Rapunzel hair. You can't go wrong with that, right? So this is a shampoo and conditioner. This is a shampoo. This is the conditioner. So yeah, I think I'm just obsessed, and it smells really good. I love the smell. And after I use that shampoo and conditioner, I go in with their leave-in conditioner. So extreme length leave-in treatment with biotin. It looks like this. I don't really like to feel my hair wet, and I bought these on Amazon, and a lot of you guys were asking me on my IG stories, oh my god, where did I get those colors? Guys, the colors is what sold me, and the price, of course. The price of all 6 of these was only $20, and they're so amazing quality, seriously thick, and they really hold the hair. They're not flimsy. They're seriously, these are all the colors. What's another thing that I've been using on my hair? I've been doing masks for my hair. I've been using the JOICO Intense Hydrator, and if you're one of my clients, you've probably felt this on your hair. I've used it before. I love this stuff, seriously. I've also been putting aloe vera plant on my hair. Yes, I know, literally the plant. I just cut it off. I'll just cut off all the little spikies off, and just from both sides, and you know, just use just the jelly that's inside, and put that in the blender with some coconut oil, organic coconut oil, and I'll just put that on my hair. That's it. I've been really enjoying this time to have my hair get back healthy from the time that I went crazy and decided to go blonde and only lasted a month. Such a Lucy thing to do. I annoy myself, guys, I know. My hair is literally still recovering from that. So that's why this shampoo and conditioner has just been helping me so much. I know this is not an ad, I'm not that cool, but yeah, I had to tell you guys about this. I was I have to mention it at some point because it's a new thing I've been using, and I love it. I really do, because I've been using some other expensive shampoo and conditioners, and let me tell you, they don't all wash my hair really good, and it's frustrating. it is. So I was in that dilemma. So when I got this, it was like, hallelujah, okay? My hair is getting washed. I had a lot of problems before, okay? And I'm taking care of them now during this quarantine. Another must-have of mine is the PUREOLOGY Color Fanatic. This is literally heaven in a bottle. Like, seriously. I use this on my clients. It's like, it like detangles the hair. I used it as a detangler for my clients. It's a multitasking hair beautifier for perfecting color treated hair. This stuff like literally does everything. It like protects, perfects. It tells you in the back. It protects against color fade, makes blow drying faster, helps even out porosity, weightlessly conditions, helps prevent split ends, helps prevent breakage. I could keep going on. I'm already tired of going, but it's just amazing. It's amazing. Need this product. It's everything in a bottle. You need to have this in your life. Whatever hair texture you have, you need this. It's for everybody. Everybody. The next product I want to talk about is the oil DAVINES. I love this. I've been using this for quite some time now. It doesn't feel silicone-y on the hair, just like it's a coating. I use a lot of products, but this I don't change since I've been using it. It literally helps my hair just get better all the time. So I recommend this for all of you. Once you have it, you will thank me. You guys know how much I love my long hair. Like, I love it. And taking out my extensions was a sad, sad story. Like, seriously, I literally begged my boyfriend if he could just like learn how to do extensions, the tape-in extensions, and do them for me. I was desperate, but it didn't happen, so we got some clip-in extensions. And because I'm crazy, I got BELLAMI's thickest set. It's the BOO-GATTI extensions. Guys, these extensions are thick, like really thick. Like, I was shook but in love. Like, literally, I've found the extensions of my dreams. Like, and you know, right now I'm letting my hair breathe, so this is great, and I'm probably gonna be using clip-ins for the rest of the year. We'll see. I'm not gonna promise anything, okay? But these are amazing. Amazing. And so this is what they look like. Look at how thick this is. It's like thick all the way down. It's heavenly. I love them so much. Like, guys, these are amazing. So it comes with like 2 sets of extensions, guys. Okay, so it comes with like a set of extensions, which is like a 4 clip, another 4 clip, a 3 clip, a 2 clip, and another 3 clip. Like, seriously, that's like a whole set in itself. Okay, just that. And then there's the volumizer. This thick piece of hair, look at this. It's like 3 extensions in one. Like, seriously. So this is gonna be like really easy for me to blend my hair in. And these are saving my hair right now. I mean, from me going crazy and looking like a ball of chicken. So yeah, these are that. It comes, the box comes with some glove. In this pack, you also get that hanger you saw them on and this bag. And it keeps it all stored in there. I just roll it up and fold it as so. And it comes with a brush. It all fits in here. It's great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me sharing some of my top hair picks for quarantine hair and how I'm keeping my hair healthy, and I hope that this helps you. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more, I'll make more. These are only the things that I've been using for now during quarantine, and literally they're like my top must-haves here at home now. If you think I should try something out that you're loving, let me know. I'm more than willing to try anything right now. Literally, we got the time of our lives. Hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye guys.